Hello friends, welcome. Today I'll be walking you through how to create kids cartoon on Canva, and I will be revealing to you how to add sound effects, voiceover, custom animation, transitions, graphics all in Canva. You don't need to leave Canva to get those things. And also I'll be revealing to you a platform where you can generate custom background music for your projects. It will be copyright free and you can use it wherever you want. So just watch the video and we'll get started.
Leo the lion cub wanted to roar like the big lions but only squeaked when he tried. One day, he saw a frightened mouse and gave his loudest squeak to scare away a snake. The jungle cheered, and Leo learned that courage, not volume, makes a true king. True strength isn't about how loud you are, but how brave you are when it matters most.
To generate our scripts for this animation, we would go to ChatGPT and tell it to write a short kids story for us. The script is ready, but I don't like the script, so I asked it to write another one. Okay, our script is ready. I prefer this, so let's go over to Canva and start creating. Click on the plus icon on your Canva homepage, then click on video landscape. Click on elements and search for cop. Click on the filter icon. Let's see if you can see an animated curve that we can use. Unfortunately, we can't see any curve, so let's go back. Let's change the setting to static. Okay, we'll be dragging and dropping some curve graphics to the canvas. We'll take a couple of them and see how we can integrate them into our animation. Let's look for a rat on the graphics and see if we can see an animated rat. Okay, we can see one. Now this story is about a rat, a snake, and a cub, so we'll have to get these three graphics. We are making progress. It's time to look for a background, which is to be a forest. If you're getting value from this video, please take your time and click the subscribe and like button. Thank you. Let's continue. The animated background is fewer, so let's change our filter from animated to static to see if we can get more background. It's time to generate the voiceover, so let's go over to ChatGPT, copy the scripts, then we'll come back to Canva. We will search for, under apps, we'll search for text to speech and select one app. For this tutorial we're using AI voice, so let's open it and paste our scripts inside. Okay, from this stage you just have to include the speed. The video is already getting too long. It's more of duplicating pages, pasting the graphics, and adjusting the size of the graphics. That's all that is in this stage. So just watch, you catch up. Select the snake and click on animation at the top bar, then click on custom animation to get the snake and move the snake to the position you want it. The transition we're going to put in between every scene is the match and move transition. It's time for us to add sound effects, so we'll go under audio and we'll search for corp to see if we can get anything from there. As I promised before, we'll be generating a unique background music for this project, and we'll be doing that in ChatGPT. We will tell it to create a prompt that will assist or generate a music background that will suit this project. The platform we'll be using to generate this background music is Refusion. Our background music is ready, so let's play them and see what they look like. Let's download them and save them for our project. Okay, now we'll search for a group of animals and we'll add them to our project. Then we would add an add-on effect. We'll use the pause add-on effect to make it move. A pro tip: if you want to move an object, an animal, from one point to the other, you have to click on the animal, then you click on animation at the top bar. By the left part of the canvas, you will see custom animation. You click on it, then you drag the object you want to animate from the point you want it to be to the point you want it to stop.
Leo the lion cub wanted to roar like the big lions but only squeaked when he tried. One day, he saw a frightened mouse and gave his loudest squeak to scare away a snake. The jungle cheered, and Leo learned that courage, not volume, makes a true king. True strength isn't about how loud you are, but how brave you are when it matters most.
Thanks for watching. Till next time, happy creating.